Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Google Chrome and your Chrome browser search engine changing to Yahoo, then I'll show you a simple method to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open your Chrome browser and click on this three dot, click on settings. In left section you can see here search engine, just click on that. You can see here search engine used in address bar. In this you can see here search engine used in the address bar. It is selected as Google. If in your case it is selected as Yahoo or Bing, you can just change it to Google. After that, below you can see manage search engine and site search. Just click on that. Scroll down, you can delete Bing and Yahoo from here. Whichever you want, just select this three dot and tap on delete. Just tap on delete like this. You can delete the search engines from here. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.